Hello everybody, this is our video number 2 and the class number 3 on the topic the probability. And in this video, you will solve the sum problem from the exercise 16.3 in our consider. So consider question number 1. A die is rolled. Let E be the event. So first of all, a die is rolled, and so that means the sample space for this experiment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and with respect to the sample space, we consider a event that is the die fold, and if is another event, the dice roll the even numbers, and check the E and F are mutually exclusive. So first, the event E only show the 4, that means it contains only 4, and F is another event, it contains the even numbers, that means 2, 4 and 6. And after that, performing the intersection operations between E and F, and this time it is produced 4, and it is not equal to 5. That means these two events are not mutually exclusive events. Question number 2. The first, a die is thrown. Describe the following events. The event A is number less than 7. That means number less than 7. Event A is contained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. After that, the next event, a number greater than 7, that is impossible event, that means it is produced on the 5. C is an event. It is contained a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 and 6. Okay? After that, a number D is an event, and a number less than 4, that means 1, 2, 3. E is another event, and even number greater than 4. Even number greater than 4, that means it contains 6. And after that, if is another event, a number not less than 3. Not less than 3. Three, 4, 5 and the 6. All those numbers satisfy these conditions. A number not less than 3. That means the 3, 4, 5, 6. And with the help of all those events, performing the find out the first A union B, and after performing the union operations between these two events, it is also produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. C. And next one, A intersection B. A intersection B is also producing 5. Because the A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B contains nothing, that means the null set. So the A intersection B is also produced the 5, that means the null value. B union C. B union C is only produce 3 and 6. Okay? E intersection F. E contain only 6 and F contain 3, 4, 5, 6. That means E produce only 6. D intersection E. D intersection E. So what is the value for the D? 1, 2, 3 and E is 6. That means these also produce the null value. A minus C. A minus C. That means all the value, consider only A, not C, and the C contains the 3 and the 6. That means A minus C. That means produce 1, 2, 3 is not coming, 6 is also 4 and the 5. That is the answer for A minus C. After that, D minus E. D minus E. So what is the value for the D? The D contains 1, 2, 3 and E contains 6. That means after performing the D minus E, the result is 1, 2, 3. After that, E intersection F complement. So F is a set and the sample set of this particular experiment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means if you consider the F complement, and this F complement contains only 1 and 2. Question is find out the E intersection F complement. What is the value of E? The E intersection F complement, it is also produced null value because E contains only one element. So because E is an even number greater than 4, even number greater than 4. That means greater than 4, 5 and 6, and in between these two, the 6 is only the even numbers. So E only contains this 6, one element, and F complements is also contain the 1, 2. That means nothing, in between these two, nothing is common. So these also produce the null value. And last one, find out the F complement. So this is the question number 2, and with the help of these two questions you will also able to solve each and every problem in this exercise, because each and every problem is based on the concept of the mutually exclusive event, exhaustive events, and all the concept of the set operations. Okay, so that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you everybody.